English Bubbles Chat. At the airport.
Wow, Steve, we finally made it to the airport.
Yeah, but where do we go first?
Let's see. Maybe check in.
Ah, check in. Like when we give them our bags and get boarding passes, right?
Exactly. The big counter with tired people and long lines.
Great. My favorite thing after traffic jams.
Come on, it won't take long. Let's go before our flight flies without us.
Fine. But if they lose my bag again, I'm going home.
Relax. Okay, here's the airline desk. Good morning. May I see your passports, please? Sure. Here you are. 2 tickets to London. Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Case and 1 emotional baggage.
I'm afraid we only take real luggage. He's just joking. Here's the suitcase. Perfect. Here are your boarding passes. Gate 12, boarding at 10:15.
Gate 12. Okay, where's gate 12?
Probably after gate 11. Genius.
I knew that. Just testing you.
Now we go through security check.
Oh no. Last time, the machine beeped because of my belt.
Maybe this time it will beep because of your brain.
Very funny. Okay. I'll remove my belt.
Sir, please empty your pockets.
Okay. Phone, keys, 1 candy, and a mysterious coin.
All clear. You can go.
Phew. I did it.
Good job. Now, let's find our gate.
Look. Duty free.
No, Steve, we don't have time.
But they have free samples.
You said that last time and missed the flight.
Okay. Okay. Gate 12. Here we come.
Attention! Passengers on flight A215 to London. Boarding now at gate 12.
That's us.
Wait. I lost my boarding pass.
No, check your pockets.
Oh. Here it is. Next to my candy.
You almost gave me a heart attack.
At least we learned something new today.
Yes, check in, gate, boarding pass, and security check.
And my favorite word. Coffee.
You can get one on the plane. Let's go before they close the gate.
Adventure time.
Grammar and vocabulary tips.
Check in. The place where you register your flight and give your luggage.
Gate. The area where you board your plane.
Boarding pass. Your ticket to get on the airplane.
Security check. Where they scan you and your bags.
Luggage equals baggage.
Polite question. Could I have my boarding pass, please?
Thanks for watching. This video is English Bubbles Chat.